What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rizzo Lou. I'm back with another video. It's an unboxing video. You feel me? Of this new camera I just purchased. You feel me? I already took it out the box, so I had to test it. But anyway, it's an Andoer HD 1080p camcorder. Boom. Nice little screen. You feel me? Comes with the mic. Let me set this up. Let me set this up. Should I set it right here? Should I set it right here? Yeah, that should be good enough. Comes with the mic, it can slide off. Boom, it's the bag, you plug the mic up. You got your menu. You know what I'm saying? Your display, play button when you want to come back and replay that shit. You got your motherfucking camera, taking pictures. Let me see, turn it on for y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, that's how it's looking. You know what I'm saying? Zoom in, zoom out at the top. Press play. You go to different videos that you already had. It comes with an wide angle lens. Cause you know how camcorders is kind of be too close to it. You're just gonna be too close to that motherfucker. The battery. Let me show y'all what type of box it came in. Put that there. You got your manuals. Come with your lens cap. Charger, USB, whatever. Some extra stuff you can plug to your TV, computer. Come with your lens cloth cleaner. Comes with your remote. Another lens cap. Come with a pouch, lens pouch, camera pouch. You know. It's the box it came in. Well, this was around it, you know. Camera. But yeah, man. I bought that shit off the Wish app. They got discounts on there. You can get stuff for free. All you gotta do is pay for shipping. All that. You can earn up to $20 if you refer a friend. Each friend is $2. So 10 friends. And you can earn points for stuff you buy that make extra discounts, all that. You feel me? So if you want to, get on the app, sign up. The link will be below with my little discount codes and stuff, you know. So sign up, man. For real. Cheap prices. But Rizzle in this bitch, man. I'm out. Stay tuned.